Just keep going, just keep going up, just keep going, just keep going up. You can't turn back, you come too far, you can't give up, you work too hard. Just keep going, just keep going up, just keep going, just keep going up. You can't turn back, you come too far, you can't give up, you work too hard.
Welcome to another episode of Dissertation in 90 Days, where we turn the complex journey of academic writing and research into manageable steps. I'm your host, and I'm delighted to have you with us today. As someone deeply immersed in the world of academic writing, research, and dissertations, I've spent years guiding PhD students through the labyrinthine process of completing their dissertations. Alongside my work with Grad Mentor Network, a doctoral support company, my mission is to demystify the academic journey and provide practical, actionable advice. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but is incredibly crucial: the importance of networking in academia. Networking might seem like a buzzword you hear tossed around at conferences or workshops, but its impact on your academic and professional growth cannot be overstated. It's not just about collecting business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. It's about building meaningful relationships that can support and enhance your academic journey. Let me share a personal story to illustrate this. Early in my career, I attended a conference that focused on my research interests. I was hesitant, unsure if I would fit in or find anyone interested in my work. But I pushed myself to engage, starting conversations with fellow attendees, joining discussions, and even presenting a paper. To my surprise, one of the people I met there became a key mentor, providing invaluable guidance and opportunities that shaped my academic path. This mentor didn't just offer advice, they opened doors to collaborative projects, recommended me for speaking engagements, and even introduced me to a community of scholars who became lifelong colleagues and friends. Networking, as I learned firsthand, is not just about immediate benefits, but about building a support system that can propel you forward in ways you might not have imagined. It's these connections that often lead to collaborative research opportunities, insightful feedback on your work, and even job offers. In today's episode, we'll explore why networking is so vital in academia, and I'll share some practical strategies to help you start building and nurturing your professional relationships. Let's get started. All right, let's dive into our first segment, understanding networking in academia. Networking, in its simplest form, is about making connections and building relationships. In the academic world, this means connecting with fellow researchers, professors, and professionals who share your interests and goals. It's not just about knowing people. It's about forming a community where you can share ideas, collaborate, and support each other's growth. Networking can be formal or informal. Formal networking happens at conferences, seminars, and academic events where you're expected to meet and interact with others in your field. These settings provide structured opportunities to exchange ideas, discuss your research, and learn about others' work. Informal networking, on the other hand, is more about casual interactions. It can happen over a coffee break, through social media, or even in the hallway after a lecture. Both types are valuable and can open doors to unexpected opportunities. So, why is networking so important? Let's talk about the benefits. First, networking gives you access to resources and information. When you know people in your field, you have a network of individuals who can share articles, suggest books, or inform you about upcoming conferences and workshops. It's like having a personal library of knowledge and expertise. Another major benefit is collaboration. When you network, you meet potential collaborators for research projects and publications. Working with others can enhance the quality of your research, introduce you to new methodologies, and even help you get published in reputable journals. Plus, it's a great way to share the workload and achieve more together than you could alone. Career advancement is another key benefit. Networking can lead to job opportunities, whether it's through a direct job offer or a recommendation from someone in your network. Many academic positions are filled through word of mouth and recommendations, so having a strong network can be a significant advantage. Mentorship is also a crucial aspect of networking. Connecting with experienced academics can provide you with valuable guidance and advice. Mentors can help you navigate the complexities of academia, offer feedback on your work, and support your professional development. Their experience can be a great asset as you progress in your career. However, networking isn't always easy. Many people have fears and misconceptions about it. Some might feel that networking is just for extroverts or that it's too time-consuming. Others might worry about coming across as insincere or self-serving. These fears are common but can be overcome with practice and a genuine approach. For introverts or those new to academia, networking can be especially challenging. The idea of approaching strangers and starting conversations might seem daunting. But remember, networking doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Engage in conversations that interest you. Attend smaller, more intimate gatherings before tackling large conferences. And most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is key to building meaningful connections. All right, now that we understand the importance of networking, let's talk about building your network. You don't have to start big. In fact, starting small can be incredibly effective. Begin with your peers, classmates, and colleagues. These are the people you see every day, those who share your academic environment. Engage in conversations, join study groups, and collaborate on projects. These initial connections can form the foundation of a strong network. Attending departmental events and seminars is another great way to start. These events are designed to bring people together, to share knowledge and ideas. Don't be shy. Introduce yourself, ask questions, and participate in discussions. You'll find that people are generally open and eager to connect. In today's digital age, leveraging social media and online platforms is crucial. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional networking. Make sure your profile is up to date, showcasing your academic achievements and interests. Connect with fellow researchers, professors, and industry professionals. Join groups related to your field and participate in discussions. ResearchGate is another excellent platform for academics. It allows you to share your publications, find collaborators, and follow the work of others in your area of interest. Academic Twitter is a vibrant community where scholars share their research, discuss current trends, and connect with each other. Follow key figures in your field, join relevant conversations, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts and work. These platforms can help you stay informed and connected with the broader academic community. Now let's talk about academic conferences and workshops. These events are gold mines for networking opportunities. Attending conferences allows you to meet researchers from around the world, hear about the latest developments in your field, and present your own work. If you get the chance, presenting at a conference can be a fantastic way to showcase your research and gain visibility. During these events, make an effort to approach speakers and participants. It can be as simple as introducing yourself and expressing your interest in their work. Participating in question and answer sessions is another great strategy. Ask thoughtful questions that show your engagement and curiosity. This can spark conversations and lead to meaningful connections. Remember, the goal of networking is to build relationships. It's not just about what others can do for you, but also about what you can offer. Be genuine, be interested, and be open to new ideas and collaborations. Networking is a two-way street, and the more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. Now that we've covered how to build your network, let's talk about how to sustain and expand it. Building a network is just the beginning. The real value comes from maintaining and growing these connections over time. First, let's discuss the importance of keeping in touch. It's crucial to stay connected with the people you meet. This doesn't mean you need to reach out every day, but regular updates can go a long way. Share your research progress, achievements, and even the challenges you're facing. Send a quick email, share an interesting article, or comment on their latest work. These small gestures help keep the relationship alive and show that you value the connection. Updating your network about your research progress not only keeps them informed, but also opens the door for feedback and support. If you've published a new paper, let them know. If you're presenting at a conference, share the details. These updates can spark conversations and lead to new opportunities. Engaging in collaborative projects is another fantastic way to sustain and expand your network. Look for opportunities to work with others on joint research projects. Collaboration allows you to pool resources, share expertise, and achieve more than you could alone. It's also a great way to learn from others and develop new skills. Co-authoring papers and articles is a powerful form of collaboration. When you co-author, you not only share the workload, but also benefit from the diverse perspectives and strengths each author brings. It can enhance the quality of your work and increase its reach and impact. Plus, it's a concrete way to deepen your professional relationships. Now, let's talk about mentorship and peer support. Finding a mentor can be incredibly valuable. A mentor provides guidance, advice, and support based on their experience. They can help you navigate the complexities of academia and offer insights that you might not have considered. Don't be afraid to seek out mentors. Look for individuals whose work you admire and who have experience in areas where you want to grow. On the flip side, becoming a mentor yourself is equally important. As you progress in your career, there will be opportunities to guide others. Sharing your knowledge and experience with those who are just starting out can be incredibly rewarding. It also helps you stay connected to emerging trends and fresh perspectives in your field. Building a support system with peers at similar stages in their academic journey is another key aspect. Your peers understand what you're going through because they're experiencing it too. Forming study groups, writing clubs, or discussion forums with your peers can provide mutual support, accountability, and motivation. These groups can be a source of encouragement and practical help when you need it most. So keep in touch, collaborate, and support each other. Networking is an ongoing process, and the relationships you build can greatly enrich your academic and professional life. In this segment, we're going to get into some practical tips for effective networking. These are the tools and techniques that will help you build and maintain those valuable connections in academia. Let's start with the elevator pitch. This is a brief, persuasive speech that you use to spark interest in what you do. Think of it as your introduction card. You need to craft and practice a concise introduction about yourself and your research. Aim to keep it around 30 seconds to a minute. Your pitch should include who you are, what your research is about, and why it matters. For example, you might say, "Hi, I'm Alex, a PhD candidate in environmental science. My research focuses on sustainable agricultural practices to combat climate change. I'm particularly interested in how we can use crop rotation to improve soil health and reduce carbon emissions." This is clear, engaging, and gives the listener a good sense of what you do. Now, let's talk about effective communication skills. Networking isn't just about talking. It's also about listening. Active listening means giving your full attention to the person speaking, showing interest through your body language, and responding thoughtfully. When you ask questions, make them insightful. This shows that you're engaged and genuinely interested in the conversation. Being genuinely interested in others' work and research is crucial. People can tell when you're sincere. Ask them about their projects, their challenges, and their successes. Not only does this help you learn, but it also builds a stronger connection. Utilizing university resources is another important aspect. Most universities offer a wealth of networking opportunities. Career services can help you connect with potential employers and provide resources for professional development. Alumni networks are invaluable. Alumni can offer advice, mentorship, and even job leads. Faculty connections are equally important. Professors and lecturers often have extensive networks that can be beneficial. Participating in university-sponsored events and networking opportunities is a great way to meet people. These events are specifically designed to bring students and professionals together. Attend workshops, career fairs, guest lectures, and social events. Each event is an opportunity to meet someone new and expand your network. Remember, networking is not just about collecting contacts, it's about building relationships. Your elevator pitch is your introduction. Effective communication skills help you connect, and university resources provide the platform. Together, these elements form a powerful strategy for effective networking. As we wrap up today's episode, let's recap what we've covered about networking in academia. We've explored why networking is crucial for your academic and professional growth. We discussed how to build your network, starting with your peers and using social media platforms. We looked at sustaining and expanding those connections through follow-ups, collaboration, and mentorship. And finally, we delved into practical tips for effective networking, including crafting an elevator pitch, honing your communication skills, and utilizing university resources. Now, I encourage you to take that first step. Reach out to a classmate, attend a departmental event, or join a discussion on LinkedIn. Building your network might seem daunting at first, but remember, every small effort counts. If you're looking for more opportunities to network, keep an eye out for upcoming Grad Mentor network events. We offer a range of resources and support to help you on your academic journey. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this episode helpful and inspiring. For more resources, tips, and to connect with us, visit our website or follow us on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to this podcast so you never miss an episode. In our next episode, we'll be discussing the best strategies for balancing research and teaching responsibilities. It's a topic you won't want to miss. Until then, happy networking and take care.